In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable community on Discord. If you're ready to open your server to a wider audience and unlock community tools, here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server you want to update. In the top left corner, click the server name to open the drop-down menu, then choose Server Settings. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and scroll until you see the Community section. Click Enable Community, and then hit Get Started to begin the guided setup. Discord will walk you through a few required safety settings. First, turn on the option that requires members to have a verified email before they can send messages. This extra check helps cut down on spam and keeps conversations more trustworthy, since users must confirm ownership of their email before participating. Next, enable the Explicit Media Content filter. With this on, Discord will scan images and other media for inappropriate content to help protect your community. It's a good baseline safeguard for public-facing spaces and reduces the moderation load by catching problematic media before it spreads. You'll also need two specific channels in place. The first is a Rules or Guidelines channel. This is a read-only spot where you clearly state what behavior is expected, what's not allowed, and how moderation is handled. Keep it easy to read and pin it where new members can't miss it. The second is a channel for community updates or moderators. This is where important announcements, moderation notes, or server-wide updates are posted, so everyone knows what's changing and why. If you already have channels that fit these roles, you can select them during setup. If not, Discord will prompt you to create them quickly from the same screen. Before you finalize, you'll be asked to confirm that you understand and agree to Discord's community guidelines. Take a moment to read through them so you know what standards apply to your server, and then confirm. Finally, click Finish Setup. That's it. Your server is now a community server. You'll notice you've unlocked features designed for public communities, along with clearer moderation tools and better safety defaults. As a tip, keep your rules concise and consistent, and revisit them periodically as your community grows. Also, check that your new channels are visible and easy to find, so new members can onboard smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, try these settings on a test server first, then apply them to your main community when you're ready.